As a note, you should also go ahead and balance the whole thing. And I also did notice that I had mistranscribed this when I wrote this out. This is actually in a 2S. If you ever do this back and forth balancing thing and you feel like you keep messing up, go back and double check that you got all of your subscripts correct. Or you might end up making a video that you have to remake. So we're going to look, let's look at the 3 right here because that's a nice solid number right there. We're going to fix the fluorine. So we're going over to the right-hand side. We're going to fix that with a 3. Now my sodium is influenced by this. So as I'm looking, I'm seeing, okay, wait a second. I've got a 3 and a 2. Maybe I shouldn't have started with the fluorine. Maybe I should start with something else. So I'm going to actually remove it, and I'm going to start with the sodium. So see, like sometimes you'll do it that way, and you'll kind of be thinking, okay, well, maybe that wasn't the right way to start it. And that's all right also. Or you might jump on over and just think to yourself, okay, over here, I see it. Like you might just jump to a completely different element, like the aluminum. And we'll let's read what happens if we mess with the aluminum. So if I do that, then I've got a total of 6 fluorines. So I'm going to make that a 6. And then can I fix my sodium? Yeah, I can make that a 3. And then my sulfurs are balanced already. And now let me look at the next one. Okay, so remember this whole thing, there's 2 on this side and there's just 1 on the other, so I need to put a 2 in front. So that fixes my NO3s, but it doesn't fix my AGs. I got to put a 2 there. And that should be balanced. And then I'm going to look at this one again because I was obviously writing very quickly when I wrote this. And that's supposed to be K2S. Everything else seems to be balanced out. So as I'm looking at my count right here, it looks as though the whole entire thing is correct, and I'm not going to have to do any change on the balancing. And sometimes that's the way it turns out.